10th chapter, Properties of Triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 11. Last part completed, compounded 7 marks problems. 4 marks problems also be completed. Today class explained example 7 marks problem. What is that problem? Prove that a cube into cos of b minus c plus b cube into cos of c minus a plus c cube into cos of a minus b is equal to 3 into a into b into c. In this problem, first you have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part here? LHS part is a cube into cos of b minus c plus b cube into cos of c minus a plus c cube into cos of c minus a minus b. After that, you can write this total simplification. You can write simplest form, that is summation form. You can write summation of a cube into cos of b minus c. A cube into cos of b minus c. Here a cube, you have to take 1a common. Remain what? 1a common. A square into a into cos of b minus c. Understood or not? A square into what? A cube. After that, here a square common. Summation of a into cos of b minus c by the sine rule. What is the formula of a? What is the formula of a by the sine rule? A is equal to 2r sine a. That's why you can write a square into summation of 2r sine a into cos of b minus c. Here you can write here a square similar. Here you can write in this here 2r sine a into cos of b minus c. Here a square will common summation of 2r also be common. Here sine a. Here sine a nothing but a plus b plus c equal how many degrees? 180 degrees. Then a plus b equal to 180 minus c. Then what is the value of a? A equal to 180 minus of b plus c divided into cos of b minus c. Understood? After that, 180 minus theta which coordinate? 180 minus theta which coordinate? Second coordinate side is positive. 180 is the even function. Sine can be written as sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. These two multiplied here, you get what? R into a square summation of 2 into sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. 2 sine a cos b. Formula is there or not there? 2 sine a cos b formula is there. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Sine of a plus b. A value is b plus c plus b minus c plus sine of a minus b. A minus b nothing but b plus c minus of b minus c. This is 2 sine a cos b formula. What is that formula? Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. In place of a you can write b plus c. In place of b you can write b minus c. Here also be same. After that, r into a square summation of sine of, here minus c get cancelled. Remaining b plus b, 2b is there. Plus sine of here b minus b get cancelled. Plus c minus into minus plus c. You can write c plus c how much? 2c. Sine 2c. After that, you can write what is the formula of sine 2a? Sine 2a formula 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, sine 2b formula 2 sine b cos b plus sine 2c formula 2 sine c cos c. This one is the formula. This one is the formula of sine 2a. After that, you can write here r into a square into summation of 2r sin b into cos b plus 2r sin c into cos c. Understood? Here this r multiplied internal these two terms. 2 into r 2r. A square is always common. Next you can write a square into summation of, here you can write 2r sin b is the one term. 2r sin b is one term you have to take into cos b plus 2r sin c is the one term. 2r sin c is the one term into cos c. By the sine rule, 2r sin b equal how much? 2r sin b equal to b. 2r sin c equal to c. Which rule? Sine rule. That's why you can write a square summation of b cos b plus c cos c. Understood or not? 2r sin b nothing but b cos b plus 2r sin c nothing but c cos c. After that, multiply this term interval summation of a square into b cos b plus c cos c. Understood? Summation of a square into b cos b plus c cos c. Next to expansion. This summation expanded. You get 3 terms. First term is what here? A square into b cos b plus c cos c plus b square into c cos c plus a cos a plus c square into a cos a plus c b cos b. Here expanded in this summation having 3 terms. First term a b c, second term b c a, third term c a b. After that this multiplied a square b cos b plus a square c cos c plus b square c cos c plus ab square cos a plus c square a cos a plus c square b cos b. Understood? Multiply these all terms internally. Total how many terms? 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Here in these terms you can common. Here a square b cos b is there. Here ab square cos a is there. These 2 terms you can common ab. Here a square b cos b. First we can write one way. A b square cos a. Similarly, these are the first term. Next term is what here? B square c cos c. B square c cos c plus c square b cos b. C square b cos b. This is the second way. After that remain what? A square c cos c plus c square a cos a. This is the third way. Here in this 2 term, first 2 term a b get common. Which one is common? A b common. You get a cos b plus b cos a plus in this 2 term bc. B square c square be nothing but bc get common. Remaining what? Remaining b cos c plus c cos b plus in this 2 term ac common. A cos c plus c cos a. Understood? A cos c plus here also be ac common. You get c cos a by the projection rule. Which rule? By the projection rule. By the projection rule, you have projection rule 3 formulas. AB into A cos B plus B cos A. Here AB, BA is there. That's why you can write this one is C. Plus BC into B cos C plus C cos B. B cos C plus C cos B by the projection rule, that value is A. Similarly, AC into A cos C plus C cos A, that value equal to B. You get this one is ABC, this one is BCA. BCA nothing but ABC. This one is ACB. ACB nothing but ABC. ABC plus ABC plus ABC. You can write 3ABC. This is the RHS for correct RHS students. What is that RHS for? 3 into ABC. In this way you can do that. This 7 marks problem. This is very important 7 marks problem. This 7 marks problem you get easily understood. First you can read and write the formulas perfectly. Otherwise, this problem is very difficult. Understood? Assignment problems are homework problems. These assignment problems, some hint is given, some shortcut also be explained. You can do that using that hint and shortcut. Total clearly write down in classwork. Here first problem is in triangle ABC. If A cos A is equal to B cos B, A cos A is equal to B cos B, then prove that the triangle is either isosceles or right angle. The triangle ABC is either isosceles at a right angle or any one check. First of all, what is the given that here? Given that A cos A is equal to B cos B. By the sign rule, A cos A equal to, you can write what? 2r sin A into cos A is equal to B equal to 2r sin B into cos B. Here r get cancelled. Remaining 2 sin A cos A is there. What is the formula of 2 sin A cos A? Sin 2A. Remaining here 2 sin B cos B is there. What is the formula of that? Sin 2A equal to sin 2B. Here sin get cancelled. 2A equal to 2B. Then A is equal to B. What is the meaning of A equal to B, students? Here, if any triangle A equal to B, nothing but 2 angles are equal. If any triangle 2 angles are equal, that triangle is called isosceles triangle. First one is completed. Next, in this case, we have to take sin 2A is equal to sin 2B. We have to take one second. Here, isosceles completed. Next, sin 2a equal to sin 2b, we have to take sin 2a is equal to sin 2b, nothing but 180 minus 2b. Correct or not, check students? 180 minus theta, which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate sign is positive. 180 is even function. Then sign is sin angle theta is 2b, correct one. Then sin both are cancelled. 2a equal to 180 minus 2b. Then 2a plus 2b equal to 180. Total have to common 2 here. 2 into a plus b is equal to 180. Then 2 ones are 2 nines are a plus b equal to 90 degrees. What is the meaning of a plus b equal to 90 degrees, students? Here, if any triangle, sum of the two angles is 90 degrees or any one angle is 90 degrees. Sum of the two angles 90 degrees, nothing but remaining one angle is what is? What is that remaining one angle? 90 degrees. That triangle is called right angle. That's why triangle ABC, here which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Here isosceles triangle, here right angle triangle. Both you can write triangle ABC is isosceles, either right angle triangle. Both are correct. Understood or not? In this way you can do that this problem, first problem. This total shortcut explained, you can write neatly in class 1. After the second problem. If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 8r square, then know that the triangle is right angle. The triangle is a right angle triangle only. Nothing but any one angle is 90 or sum of the two angle is 90. Here first of all we have to take given that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 8r square. By the sine rule, a is equal to, you can write 2r sin a. B is equal to, you can write 2r sin b whole square. C is equal to, you can write 2r sin c whole square is equal to 8r square. 2r sin a whole square nothing but 4r square sin square a. This can be as 4r square sin square b. This can be as 4r square sin square c is equal to 8r square. Here 4r square, 4r square, 4r square, then 4r square get common. Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 8r square. Here r square get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twos are remaining portions. Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c equal to 2. Suppose you have to take this is equation 1. Here you have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part here? LHS part is sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. This is LHS part. In this LHS part, you can do this problem by using trigonometry up to ratios. Transformation is there. A plus b equal to 180 degrees, then sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. Trigonometry 7 marks, important 7 marks problem model. You can do that. This value, I know, this value, you know that I can write directly, but you can totally solve this problem by using trigonometry transformations. You know that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 2 plus 2 into cos a into cos b into cos c. This is the in this value substituted one, you get what? Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c value what change? 2 plus 2 cos a into cos b into cos c is equal to 2. 2 get cancelled. Remaining you get portions here. 2 into cos a into cos b into cos c equal to 0. This 2 goes to here. Cos a into cos b into cos c equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one, students? What is the meaning of this one? Cos a is equal to 0 or cos b equal to 0 or cos c equal to 0. Here cos a equal to 0. Cos which angle 0? Cos 90 degrees 0. That's why I can write cos a is equal to cos 90 or cos b equal to cos 90 or cos c value also be equal to cos 90. Why? Because cos 90 value is 0. Cos that get cancelled. Then a is equal to 90 or b is equal to 90 or c is equal to 90. What is the meaning of this one, students? Here in triangle ABC, any one angle A or B or C, any one angle equal to 90 degrees, that triangle is called right angle triangle. This is also be completed. This answer, this sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C equal to 2 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C answer, you can do that total problem by using trigonometric transformation 7 marks problem model. Understood or not? In that way you can do that, you get 7 marks. Otherwise you get each shortcut you can write, you get 4 marks, 3 marks can be lost. Okay students, these are the homework problems. This homework problem hint and shortcut totally explained. You get write down classwork neatly, clearly. Okay.